Alright, so let's do a little test on this knife sharpener. It's the Blade Master Trident. Comes with a little float. Full disclosure, this was given to me to do a review, give my thoughts. So here we go. I've got a couple the cheap bait knives, you know, the ones you just pay $2, $3, $4 for. And I've also got a little kitchen knife here. Now this kitchen knife, let me show you. It's dull. I mean, it's dull. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna run it through this knife sharpener, see how it does. Let me angle you down here so you can see what I'm doing. So it's got 2 carbide blades, military grade carbide blades. This is a total aluminum, totally made in USA. Has a ceramic honing on the back. It also has a groove right there to sharpen fish hooks. So we're going to run this knife. This is just a kitchen knife. We're going to run it through, I don't know, let's just do like 5 times. And you can feel it grabbing because it's dull. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm gonna just run it on the hone here a few times, back and forth, flip it over. Now this isn't gonna make razor blades. This is not, let me fix you guys here. This is not going to replace your stones or your fancy knife sharpeners. This is a quick, fast, get it done, put an edge on it so you can cut bait type thing. Let's see what it does now. Well, it's wanting to. It's wanting to grab. That was only after running it through 5 times. So let's give it another 5 or 10 times and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm feeling it start to get easy. I'm going to go ahead and do 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go on our honing. Knock the little burrs off. Do it on both sides. See if we got anything any better now. Oh, gotta put the camera back up. It's starting, it wants to cut. We're getting there. I'm gonna run it through here about 5 more times, a little less pressure. 2, 3, 4, 5. A little honing. This knife was, I mean, it was like butter knife dull, and it's getting sharp really quick. I mean, that didn't take any time. So as far as, you know, for your bait knives, man, this thing's gonna be awesome. Now, here are my bait knives. I got 2 different ones. This one's, it's already sharp. Here's my other one. It's not quite as sharp. This one can use some work. So let's run it through our sharpener. Now again, these are super cheap knives. It's not anything, you know, don't put your high dollar knives through this thing. This is just to get a bush edge on your knife, out in the field, in your boat, whatever it is you need to do. Just to keep you moving, keep you cutting bait. I don't even know how many times that was. But I have all the confidence in the world that this is going to help you cut through your bait. Piece of paper there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Find a spot we haven't cut yet. Yep, there you go. It definitely works. I mean, it puts an edge on and it does it fast. But if you want to get one of these, go to monsterrodholders.com. You can find them on that website. They actually sent this to me to do a review, give you a close-up. If you buy one of these, like I said, 100% made in the USA, all aluminum, military grade carbide cutting blades in there, ceramic on the back for honing, comes with a float, so you put it in your boat, drop it in, it ain't gonna go anywhere, you can get it back. I actually am gonna put that on the key to my boat, on the keychain to my boat, so it's always there, ready to go when I need it. Thanks for watching. Leave me some comments, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. See you on the next one.